everybody, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick little check-in video with you guys. I'm trying to find my groove, and I have to be completely honest with you, I've been in a little bit of like a funk lately with my hair, so I just have not wanted to be on camera or anything. I just feel just bleh. After I had her like 4 months after all my hair started falling out, and it's all growing back, but I have hair like this all over my head, and I know it happens to a lot of people, but I can't, it's like unmanageable. I can't really do anything with it. I mean, I try and hairspray it down and it just like boing, still sticks straight up. I've got little Reese here. She just woke up from her nap. I just wanted to fill y'all in. You know, I've got ideas and videos on the way. I'm just trying to find my rhythm. I feel like Tuesdays is a good day. There's just been a lot of changes, and I admit I've got a very full life. I've got little Reese here. I've got my schedule. I've got Peter's schedule. I've got my 2 beautiful bonus girls that we get every other weekend. I got a lot going on, but I'm really wanting to do this whole YouTube thing. Like, this is my goal. I just decided to just grin and bear it and put on a hat today and just call it a day. That's my plan. I'm hoping if I can do at least 1 video a week every Tuesday. So if for some reason it isn't up on a Tuesday, I'll just bear with me. But that's my goal. I've got like cleaning and organizing videos, some makeup tutorials, I've got cooking and recipe, yeah. The last couple I did were like shopping videos, but I'm not wanting my whole channel to be shopping videos or hauls. I want to incorporate that. I want it to be like a mix of different things. That's just kind of how it all unfolded over the last few weeks. So I know today's another random Dollar Tree haul, but I got a little carried away and I wanted to share with you guys. I actually just went in for like a birthday card or 2, and I ended up coming home with a lot more stuff, but they had a lot of good stuff, so I wanted to show you guys what I got. So, boop, boop. Hot coffee, hot coffee. Put that over here. You gonna join Mama today? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so like I said, all this is from the Dollar Tree, by the way. So it's a little book, and it's Sesame Street, and it's like a waterproof, and she could play with it in the bathtub if she wanted to. She's been very intrigued by books lately, but she wants to eat them. Ooh. So we've got Abby's Garden, and it's like a foamy, like kind of plastic book, and that way I don't have to worry about her eating cardboard if she wants to put it in her mouth, which she probably will do. So you can play with that. The next thing I picked up, which is the main thing I went in for, I got a couple of birthday cards. I'm only going to show one though, because the other people's birthdays are coming up next month, but I'm going to show you this one. So if you don't already get your cards at Dollar Tree, you should, because they're only 50 cents, and a lot of times they're better than cards that you could get spending $5 or $6 a lot of times. So this is for my niece. She's getting ready to turn 15. And it's just a sweet little card. It says, hope God piles on the blessings. Birthdays should be that way, especially yours. So she'll get that sometime this week. And then the next thing I couldn't pass up, which I saw one of the last times I was there. I'm a sucker for notepads. This is the magnetic one, so it can stick right on a fridge, and it says coffee please. I love to have these handy because of writing grocery lists down and stuff like that. So got this, and I got some gum, for my sweet bonus girls, I thought maybe one of the next times that they come, they might want to try these. They love sour stuff. These are Warhead extremely sour popsicles. And this was super cute. They had different ones. This is a 2-pack. It says Rise and Grind. And I just figured for in the car on the go that these would be just easy and they're reusable. So it's a pack of 2 for only $1. They're dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Super cute. And so these will come in handy later on. And Reese, as you all know, has started getting some teethers. And I have a regular toothbrush, but I wanted to try with one of these. They had this at the Dollar Tree, y'all. It's one of those finger ones that you put on your finger, and it's got the little bristles that I'll be able to use to start cleaning her teeth with. And I am, over the last year or 2, I've been wearing my glasses a lot more lately because my contacts have been bothering my eyes. So they have a eyeglass repair kit with the little tools that you'll need to clean them, the little extra screws, little extra pieces. Something like this is just handy to have around just as a backup for whenever you may need it. And here's some lens cleaner, and I like that I have a big one already, but I like that this one's small because I can just put it in my purse and take it with me wherever I go. I got some menthol cough drops. I thought this was a good deal on the food coloring, so I don't do a ton of baking, but I figured with the holidays coming up that if I do want to add a little bit of food coloring to any icing or whatever, it's good to have these. $1, and it's got all 4 colors. Not bad. I saw this one of the last times I went and I wanted to try it. It's the oatmeal and lemon verbena soap, and it's plant-based, and it's sulfate and paraben free and vegan. So, and it smells really, really good. So I'm gonna try that. And then I got 3-pack of tissues, just good to keep in the car. Some Band-Aids. I like the fabric ones, or at least we were running low on those, so I got the pack of 30 of these. I don't wear a ton of lipstick nowadays. I used to whenever I worked in the world of cosmetics. Now that I do like to have a lip balm that has a little bit of a tint to it. So this is the Vaseline brand, and it's got a little bit of a rosy tint to it. Dada? You wanna go to Dada? Go to Dada. Yay! So Reese's with Daddy now, so let's go ahead and continue on. We like the scalloped potatoes, and these looked good. It's the Hungry Jack. It has 6 servings in it. So I got 2 of these. So we like to add them to our meals. I saw these for $2 at Food Lion, and it's the same exact thing, same brand and everything, for only $1 at the Dollar Tree. And Peter loves his lemon heads. So I got his lemon heads. Here I got some Italian seasoning, garlic powder. This looks interesting. I can't really tell exactly. It's got a blend. I think it's a blend of garlic and onion and stuff like that. And it was only $1. So I figured, if we don't like it, but I mean, garlic and onion and stuff like that goes good on a lot of different stuff. So I figured we'd try that. Butter popcorn seasoning. This past weekend, I pulled out my sewing machine and hemmed my one of my daughter's jeans because they were a little long for her, and I also hemmed up some curtains for our room. I don't know, while I was sewing, I just kind of was like, wow, I'm really enjoying this. I forgot how much I enjoyed it and I want to learn more. And while I was at the Dollar Tree, I saw this awesome book, Me and My Sewing Adventure. This is a really nice book, and it was only $1. It's legit. It's got ideas, tips and tricks. I know I can Google or Pinterest or whatever, but Because sometimes you just want a book. Sometimes you just want to flip through pages and look at a book. And it has everything. It explains things very well. And I'm excited to really sit down and look at it. But I just couldn't pass that up. Only $1. One of my girls, she got a bunch of these little, those little fuse beads, like a bunch of them over the summer. And once again, this is a really good book. I found, oh wow, it was originally, what, $14.99? I don't know where it came from, but it was only $1 at the Dollar Tree. And it's got over 300 ideas for her to do with her fuse beads. So I'm excited to give that to her. And for my other girl, I got her the Mermaids, it's like a sticker activity book for her to play with. And it's got lots of fun stuff for her to do. So I picked up a couple of these. You know, you can't beat that. $1. I got 2 of these, the jambalaya rice. If you haven't tried it, it's really good. It's packed full of flavor. A little on the spicy side, but I mean, it's not super spicy. It just has a little bit of a kick to it. That's what I picked up today. And like I said, just stay tuned, bear with me. I'm trying to get a rhythm and system down. I've got lots of videos that I'm planning and working on. My goal is every Tuesday, but like I said, if for some reason it doesn't happen, just bear with me and hopefully I'll have it out, you know, within a day or two. But Tuesday is my goal day. Feel free to let me know your thoughts if there's any types of videos you'd like to see. And I appreciate all of your love and support. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.